Liverpool Plains grower Richard Heath says taking GRDC supported research and expanding it into commercial scale trials gives him the confidence to implement new technologies and practices. He knows he will reap an economic benefit along with his grain harvest.
I like doing on-farm testing, on-farm trialling, and it's just so easy to do these days with precision ag. So I guess originally where or the area that I started looking at was nitrogen management, and particularly nitrogen management with in-crop application in cereals, and just doing things like test strips of different rates, which and mapping those different rates, and then pulling the results from yield maps once they're harvested. It's all stuff that can be done in the office, with yield maps and post-harvest, post the pressure of the harvest period. The more I understand about fertiliser application through precision ag, the more I realise that every year it changes significantly. This year, with the year that we had, I haven't been very subtle about it at all. I've just been putting on as much as I can, as often as I can, and I think that the benefit out of really trying to fine-tune a program is probably limited. In harder years, in what is probably a more typical year, certainly that really understanding whether the crop is responsive to nitrogen or not, and how responsive it is, has meant that we've been able to fine-tune our rates and be much more precise about what we've been doing. And because of that, we've probably cut back our rates by 10 to 15% over a long period of time now, without any reduction in yield. This year, with my on-farm trialling, one of the main things I'm looking at is post-flowering applications of nitrogen on canola, looking at 2 different products and a couple of different rates. This is based on some results I've read coming out of England and Canada about yield responses with very late applications of nitrogen. So I'm giving that a go here and seeing how it comes off.